Hi everybody, it's Justin. Today we are going into Manhattan, into New York City. Tomorrow we have a cruise out of New York City, but today we are going to be visiting Manhattan. I've never been there. I've never visited Manhattan before, other than to take cruises, so I've only been to the Manhattan Cruise Terminal. But right now I'm at the North Bergen Park and Ride parking lot, where you could park your car, and for $11.80 you get a round trip bus ticket into the city. So I'm gonna take the bus over to Manhattan, and I've got some stuff I wanna do over there. So let's go. Okay, so this is where I got out, was the Midtown bus terminal. And then when I come back, I'll look for the same bus number and gate, and off I go back to that park and ride. So it was really easy. So let's head outside and start walking around. Heart of Times Square with a zillion people. Wowee. All right, I'm not super good with like all those people. That is a lot of people. This is why I'm not a huge fan of big cities. But it was cool to be in Times Square. That was cool. But now I'm headed to Rockefeller Center because I am going on the NBC studio tour in about an hour. So I want to head that direction and check that area out, because that's been one of the places I've always wanted to visit, way more than wanting to visit Times Square or anything else here in the city. So that's where we're headed. All right, stopping into this bar that's near 30 Rockefeller Center called Sean's Bar. If you've ever been here, leave it in the comments. It's my first time, so I'm gonna have a drink before the tour. All right, here's the Today Show set. Nothing going on, obviously, because it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Well, it's maybe 3:15 in the afternoon on a Saturday, so no Today Show going on. But this is where you would be standing if you were behind all of that. So that's pretty cool. All right, we're getting ready for the tour. All right, I'm inside 30 Rock now. I am so excited to be in here. I am a huge television fan, and especially television from 50s, 60s, 70s, you know, all the way back. And this building has so much history in it. I will talk about my tour when the tour is over. Unfortunately, they don't let you film on the tour. So I have to go register for it, and then I'll probably have to not have my phone put away. But I am super excited about it. Hopefully we get to get into 8H, which is where Saturday Night Live is filmed, and it is broadcast live in this building. That just gives me butterflies in my stomach. So let's just hope that we get to see it. That'd be awesome. So cool. So cool.
From NBC News, this is Today with Charlotte and Jack, live from NBC Studios in Rockefeller Center.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Today. I'm Charlotte.
And I'm Jack. Today is Saturday, August 30th, and we're so happy you're starting your day with us.
How are you doing today, Jack?
And I'm doing very good. And how are you doing, Charlotte?
I'm doing good.
Let's get in today's headlines. A new study found that a positive attitude is key to a person's health. Ways to increase happiness levels include setting goals, practicing gratitude and meditation, and of course, smiling more.
Now that we've got our headlines covered, let's check in with our meteorologist, Marissa.
Oh, it's this way. Hello, Charlotte and Jack. How are you this morning?
We're doing well, and we're hoping to have some nice weather headed our way.
Well, you are in luck, my friends, because from coast to coast, it's going to be a beautiful weekend with sunny, clear skies. It'll be a perfect time to get outside. Hope you have a great weekend in your neck of the woods.
Sounds like it's going to be a fantastic weekend. And to start it off, let's get a morning boost.
Meet Ranger and Sydney, two rescue dogs reunited thanks to a chance conversation between their owners. They organized a playdate, and the pups started playing like no time had passed, proving true friendship can last a lifetime.
Aw, what a special moment. How it's time for a pop start. Let's head to Allen for the latest in pop culture news.
Hey, Charlotte and Jack. We have someone special here in the studio today. Say hello to Cynthia, a Grammy Award-winning artist who just released their new album today. Cynthia, hi. How's New York treating you so far?
New York's okay. It's kind of whatever, though. Not gonna lie.
Well, you're getting ready to head out on your very first world tour, I've just heard. What can fans expect from you on stage?
Explosions and fire and cool colors.
You've worked with some of the biggest names in the music industry. I'm curious, who's your dream collaboration?
My mom, my dad, and Phil Collins.
Well, we can't wait to hear you play some of your new music on our plaza. But before we go, what do you want to say to all of your fans?
So,
Charlotte and Jack, I know you both are big fans too, so get on your dancing shoes.
So fun. Thanks, Alan. Before we wrap up, we want to thank our amazing crew who make everything possible behind the scenes.
That's right, from our top-notch camera operators to our talented control room. We are fortunate enough to have the best in the business.
We also have the best audience members in the world. Let's go to Justin on the plaza now.
Hey Charlotte, I'm here with an excited fan now. What's your name and where are you from?
I'm Kevin, I'm from Indiana.
Anybody watching at home that you want to say hi to?
I'd love to give a shout out to my mom. She's back home in Indiana.
Well, thank you for being here. And from all of us at Today, thank you for watching. Have a great day and we'll see you all tomorrow. All right, we just got out of the NBC studio tour. Honest to gosh, the highlight of the whole thing was being able to sit in Studio 8H where Saturday Night Live is produced. Absolutely incredible. And we got to sit in the studio where The Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon is also produced, so that was super cool. Also, we saw tons of behind the scenes footage of control rooms, of where they do audio mixing, where they do voiceover recording, and we got to make our own little production of the Today Show, which was really cool. It was probably about 75 minutes long, and the majority of it was sitting in the studios and looking at the studio spaces. So it was so awesome, and I really wanted to step foot in Studio 8H where Saturday Night Live is filmed and broadcast from, and I got to do it, and I'm so excited that I did. So that was an awesome tour, just awesome. And just to be in 30 Rock and be in NBC Studios, like I said at the beginning, just a piece of history that I just absolutely love. So, man, good job to the NBC Studio Tour pages. That was awesome. If you get a chance, if you're an NBC fan or a television production fan and you're in New York City, go to it. It's awesome. All right, super fun time at the NBC Studio Tour. And now we're gonna head back to the hotel because tomorrow is cruise day. So I'll see you on board, and thank you for joining me.